Okay, welcome back. Today we are making a smoothie. Yeah. The recipe. What we need is 6 ounce can of pineapple juice. We got that. 16 ounces of frozen strawberries. We got that. Some bananas. We got that. A half cup of milk. We have that. And 6 ounces of yogurt. And we have all that. This is the pineapple juice. First we're going to put in the bananas. So, gosh. And we have my dad here to help.
Hello.
He's going to help prepare the stuff. Pour this in. Okay. I feel like I'm going to make a mistake. Okay. Smells good.
How much frozen strawberries?
I don't know where. Add the 16 ounce bag of strawberries. I'm not sure. I think that's good.
That's good for one of them. But are we making one or two?
We're making two. We're making two smoothies.
We'll hold off on that because we have strawberry yogurt as well.
We also have strawberry yogurt to put in, so we'll hold off on the second one. Remember to like and subscribe and click the notification bell. So here's the milk.
And how much yogurt? Right up top.
Oh, right up top? Oh, 6 ounces of yogurt. So 12 ounces of yogurt for the second one. Okay.
Want to scoop it out with a spoon?
Hold on. I feel like this is gonna overflow.
That's the last ingredient.
Okay, it's not gonna overflow. I hope not.
Carefully.
Okay. Carefully place the lid on top. Okay.
This is going to be loud.
It's gonna be loud. So if you want to cover your ears, which I will.
Check it to make sure there's no frozen pieces.
Okay, I hope there's not any frozen pieces. Okay,
it's good. Now, who are you pouring a glass for? You and who?
So I'm pouring a glass for me and my mom, which is over in the other room. And yeah, this is our kitchen, by the way. That's basically it.
Oh, we have enough for 4.
Oh, we have enough for 4.
And that's a smoothie.
And yeah, that's how you make smoothies. Yeah. Remember to like and subscribe, click that notification bell, and enjoy the smoothies if you want to make one. Bye.